Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Smokin Steve Hot Grill. Hey, just want to invite you on this awesome journey that we are going to ride together in smoking meats and fish and doing side dishes and pastas and everything on the side. Just want to introduce myself. My name is Steve. I live in a small town outside of Omaha, Nebraska. I have 5 wonderful kids and 1 beautiful fiance. My 5 kids range anywhere from 19 all the way down to 10, which my oldest is my daughter at 19. For fun, I like to hunt, fish, camp, and of course on the weekends when I have all the time to spend smoking something. And please like and subscribe my channel and leave your comments so I know exactly what you guys would like me to smoke, to make. I will do it for you and show you the recipes that I use. So please stick around. And tomorrow night, our first smoking will be this awesome salmon fillet right here. So stay tuned.